Ever struggled with weight loss and wondered why it seems so difficult? The journey to shed those extra pounds can often feel like an uphill battle. It's not just about counting calories or sweating it out at the gym. What if we told you that the secret to efficient weight loss lies within you? Yes, we're talking about your hormones. These biochemical messengers play a pivotal role in how your body burns fat and controls weight. But here's the kicker. Certain foods can actually help regulate these fat-burning hormones. Imagine eating your way to a healthier, leaner you. Sounds exciting, right? Well, it's not just about what you eat, but also when and how. The aim is to create a balance, a harmony of sorts, between these hormones to kickstart your metabolism and set you on your weight loss journey. So, are you ready to discover the power of hormonal fat burning? Stay tuned to learn about specific foods that can switch on your hormonal fat burning. Before diving into the foods, let's understand a bit more about these fat-burning hormones. These hormones, namely leptin, adiponectin, HGH, insulin, cortisol, and thyroid hormones, are like the backstage crew of a theater. You may not see them, but they're orchestrating the whole show. Starting with leptin, this hormone is produced by your fat cells and signals to your brain when you've had enough to eat. When leptin levels are off, you might feel hungry even after a full meal, leading to overeating. Then we have adiponectin, a hormone that improves your body's sensitivity to insulin and boosts metabolic rate, helping you burn more fat. Next, we have human growth hormone, or HGH, which plays a significant role in fat breakdown and muscle growth. It's like a natural body sculptor. Insulin, on the other hand, regulates blood sugar levels and directs whether glucose is stored as fat or used for energy. High insulin levels can lead to weight gain, so maintaining balance is crucial. Now let's talk about cortisol, often dubbed the stress hormone. While essential for survival, chronic high levels can lead to weight gain, particularly around the midsection. Last but not least, we have thyroid hormones, which control the speed of your metabolism. An underactive or overactive thyroid can throw your weight for a loop. These hormones are a team, each with a unique role, but working together to control your metabolism and weight. When they are in harmony, your body functions smoothly, efficiently burning fat and maintaining a healthy weight. However, when they're out of sync, it can lead to weight gain or difficulty losing weight even with diet and exercise. Now that you know the key players, let's find out what foods can help regulate them. Ready to discover the foods that can switch on your hormonal fat burning? Let's dive in and explore some natural powerhouses that can help activate your fat-burning hormones. First on our list is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to boost the hormone adiponectin. Adiponectin plays a crucial role in regulating your body's metabolism and breaking down fats. So, incorporating fatty fish into your meals could be a game changer. Next up, we have flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a treasure trove of lignans, a group of plant compounds that have been found to balance estrogen levels in the body. By helping to regulate this hormone, flax seeds can aid in controlling body weight and fat distribution. Moving on to vegetables, and not just any vegetables, but cruciferous ones like broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies are rich in a compound called indole 3-carbinol, which plays a role in managing the hormone estrogen. A balance of estrogen in the body can help keep your weight in check, making these veggies a smart addition to your plate. Let's not forget about fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi. They're excellent for gut health, and a healthy gut means a healthy you. These foods aid the production of beneficial gut hormones like glucagon-like peptide 1, which can help regulate appetite and food intake, promoting weight loss. Lastly, we have healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are all packed with healthy fats that aid in the production of hormones. They help balance insulin levels, a hormone that plays a vital role in regulating your body's metabolism. Now it's important to remember that while these foods can help activate your fat-burning hormones, they are not magic bullets. They work best when incorporated into a balanced diet, complemented by regular physical activity. So the next time you're planning your meals, consider including these hormone-friendly foods. Remember, these foods are most effective when combined with a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Food isn't the only factor. Your lifestyle plays a huge role too. So let's dive into the lifestyle choices that can help balance your hormones and support weight loss. First on the list is managing stress. We've all heard that chronic stress isn't good for us, but did you know it can directly affect your hormones? Yes, you heard that right. Chronic stress can cause a surge in a hormone called cortisol. This hormone, when at high levels, can lead to an increase in appetite and fat storage. So, what can you do about it? Incorporate stress management techniques into your daily routine. This could be anything from yoga and meditation to simply taking a walk in the park or reading a good book. Next, let's talk about sleep. When we don't get enough sleep, our hormone balance can be thrown off. Lack of sleep can decrease leptin, the hormone that tells us we're full, and increase ghrelin, the hormone that tells us we're hungry. The result? Increased appetite and potential weight gain. So ensure you're getting a good night's sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. Lastly, physical activity. Regular exercise doesn't just burn calories, it also helps to balance your hormones. How? Well, physical activity can increase levels of hormones that help control appetite and improve metabolism. Even a simple daily walk can make a difference. So, make it a point to move more each day. But remember, it's not about perfection. It's about making small, manageable changes that can lead to big results over time. And it's not just about weight loss. These lifestyle changes can also improve your overall health and well-being. So don't just focus on what you're eating. Pay attention to how you're living. Stress less, sleep more, and move often. Because a holistic approach to health is the most successful way to manage your weight. Incorporating these foods into your diet and making certain lifestyle changes can boost your weight loss journey. Let's take a moment to recap the key insights we've discussed in this video. We've explored the vital role that hormones such as leptin, adiponectin, human growth hormone, insulin, cortisol, and thyroid hormones play in metabolism and weight management. We've learned that certain foods can trigger these hormones to help us burn fat more effectively. These include fatty fish rich in omega-3s, flax seeds packed with lignans, cruciferous vegetables abundant in indole-3 carbinol, fermented foods for gut health, and healthy fats for hormone production. But we've also discovered that diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Lifestyle choices also have a significant impact on our hormonal balance. Managing stress, getting enough sleep, and incorporating regular physical activity are all essential components of a holistic approach to weight loss. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. Start by introducing 1 or 2 of these hormone-boosting foods into your diet. Gradually increase your physical activity level. Make a conscious effort to manage stress and prioritize sleep. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about making small, sustainable changes that you can maintain in the long run. The significance of maintaining hormonal balance for long-term weight loss success cannot be overstated. Achieving this balance is a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Remember, every small change can lead to big results. Start your journey to hormonal balance today.